Ever wondered why buttons change color when you move your cursor over them? That's the hover pseudo-class at work. The :hover pseudo-class is a CSS selector that applies styles when the user's pointer is positioned over an element. It's called a pseudo-class because it selects elements based on their state, not their structure. When you move your mouse over an element with hover styles defined, those styles activate instantly, and they disappear when you move away. Here's a simple example. For a button, you can change its background color on hover to give users visual feedback. For links, you might add an underline or change the text color. The syntax is straightforward. You write the selector, add :hover, and then define the styles you want to apply. This creates that satisfying interactive feel users expect from modern websites. You'll most commonly use hover on interactive elements. Buttons often change color or add a shadow. Links typically change color or get underlined. Navigation menus reveal drop-down options, and cards might lift up with a subtle animation. These patterns have become standard because they signal to users that something is clickable. One important caveat: hover doesn't work the same way on touch devices like phones and tablets. There's no cursor to hover with, so these styles either don't appear at all or only show after a tap. That's why modern designs often use alternative feedback methods for mobile users. The hover pseudo-class is your go-to tool for creating interactive, responsive user experiences on the web. Practice implementing it in your next project. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.